When the lights go out and the grid is down, the first 72 hours are critical. That's why today I'm walking you through exactly how to build a 72-hour blackout kit designed and approved by an engineer. No gimmicks, no wasted space, just what you actually need to survive and stay comfortable until the power is restored. Let's break this kit down into 5 essential categories. 1. Water. You'll need at least 1 gallon per person per day. For 3 days, that's 3 gallons per person. Store it in sealed containers, and if space is limited, include water purification tablets or a compact filter like a Sawyer Mini. 2. Food. Go for calorie-dense, no-cook items with a long shelf life, protein bars, canned tuna, peanut butter, freeze-dried meals. Don't forget a manual can opener. 3. Light and power. A reliable flashlight, LED lantern, and headlamp with spare batteries. A small solar charger or crank-powered USB charger keeps your phone and radio alive. 4. Warmth and shelter. Even indoors, temperatures can drop quickly. Include emergency blankets, a compact sleeping bag, and a change of warm clothing. 5. Communication and safety. A battery-powered or hand-crank NOAA with a radio, whistle, and a basic first aid kit. Add any personal medications you can't go without. Pack all of this in a sturdy, waterproof backpack or bin that's easy to grab and go. Label it, store it in an accessible spot, and check it every 6 months to rotate out expired food and dead batteries. That's your 72-hour blackout kit engineered for practicality and survival. Build it now and you won't be scrambling when the power goes out. Now, I want to hear from you. What would you add to this kit? Did I miss anything you think is essential? Drop your suggestions in the comments so we can make this the ultimate engineer-approved blackout kit for everyone.